flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Said time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
I see all the things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Oh my.
Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought.
Hey.
Cause there's cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams.
We're back in Florida. Yep.
I know what you mean. It's all funny to the fleet. I get 50 to my G.
I am an innovator. Stop recording, man.
Can you break down the chessboard?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there's a button on the side right there. On the other side. Right there. Yep. Now turn the remote on. Flip the switch. Yep. There you go.
Oh, that's trippy.
The easier you push it, the easier it'll go.
No, not at
you're
all.
good, man.
Go for it.
So,
Come on.
okay.
I got you.
Oh my goodness! Hey, bud. This is beautiful. Wow. What's his name? Lily. Oh man.
Yes, absolutely.
You know?
Come on. All right, guys, take care.
You too, man.
man. Have a good one.
Okay, so you got the remote. So just push it down like very slightly.
Hey.
This thing's weird, man. I suck at this. No smoke within 50 feet of building. Wonder why that is.
I wouldn't get one for 99 cents, even on the big stuff. Look at this thing.
Look at this. Look at this.
What is that?
196 shot Roman candle.
Why?
You can plug it in the ground.
Yeah.
No, I got a bunch of the little ones. I'm good.
What?
Right here. I want to see what that does. And it's buy one get one 99 cent.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna find out. Where's my basket? I got a basket for this reason.
You're the only person with a basket in the store right now.
I'm the only person in the store right now. That's gay. That's kind of gay. That's happening. Do. So you're looking at big stuff. I'm looking at small stuff. I'll do the glitter rockets. Those are all.
The glitter rocket.
Glitter rockets, like a man. Full brick of premium firecrackers. That's what we're looking for.
And those are going to be the biggest shot in the store. They're going to be bigger than those mortars, actually.
These are the 8-ball looking ones. Okay. I think this does like the same thing as the bees.
Crazy. Oh. Whoa.
That is fucking awesome.
Oh, cause this shit is real. Oh, cause this shit is real.